The quantum with alert indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this section. And also, to learn about how it works and operates, they can read this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying buy and sell signals on the price chart. The Quantum with Alert indicator is a special and practical tool that allows traders to identify trading opportunities and receive buy and sell signals using pivots or price reversal points. Here we can see the buy signals. They are issued for us in order, and we can use these opportunities to enter buy trades, or in this section, sell signals are also provided, which we can use to enter sell positions. Additionally, traders can use this indicator to implement strategies such as averaging down or martingale. They can use it in such a way that, after the first signal, if the price drops, they enter the trade on the second signal. And in the same way, they can use lower or higher signals to enter trades and average their positions and make the most of the martingale strategy, so that in the end they achieve the desired profit. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are options available to us, and in the first input, we can set the indicator's sensitivity to price movement. The higher we set this number, the larger price steps. And it will also examine smaller price steps and perform its calculations accordingly. In the next parameter, we can enable or disable the alert notification on Richart in case buy or sell signals are generated. In the next input, we can set the alert notification to be sent as an SMS or enable or disable push notifications here. In this next input, we can also enable or disable sending alerts to the mailbox. So, in this section, you need to make sure you have completed the email settings in the Options tab of the Tools section. And finally, in these last two inputs, we can also set up alerts for buy and sell positions when signals are generated and also configure sending alerts via SMS. Here, we have determined that when an important SMS alert is sent out, it should be officially issued with this specific subject for us to review and act upon. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicators tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.